Hello, and welcome to Green Dot Public Schools. My name is Crystal Dot, and one of the things I like most about Green Dot is our employee benefits. And you should know them so you can make the right choices when you enroll. I'll give you some highlights now. You can find more details in the Connecting with You Benefits Guide. You have 30 days from your date of hire to enroll in benefits if you want coverage this year. Let's look at your choices starting with medical benefits. You have 3 options: the HMO plan, the Local Plus plan, and the Open Access PPO plan. The first option is the HMO plan. As a newly hired employee, you are automatically enrolled, and Green Dot pays the cost for your coverage and your dependents coverage if you enroll them before the deadline. To use the plan, you must choose a primary care physician to manage your health care and refer you to other medical providers when needed. That's because the plan only pays expenses if they are from doctors in your primary care physician's medical group, and only if you have a referral from your primary care physician. Watch 2 other videos that explain how to choose a primary care physician and how to get referrals. You should watch these videos before you choose your medical plan. The second option is the Local Plus plan. The plan pays expenses from in-network providers only. You pay any expenses from out-of-network providers. But you don't need a primary care physician or referral to go to in-network doctors and medical facilities. The Local Plus plan covers eligible expenses from day one. No deductible to meet first. Your cost is a copay. Go to a doctor's office, therapist, or urgent care center and pay a $10 copay per visit. For both the HMO and Local Plus plans, it's important to check that your provider is in the Cigna network to avoid paying the cost of out-of-network charges. In fact, because each plan has its own separate network, you should check that your doctor is in your plan's network before you enroll. Go to Cigna.com and use this summary to navigate the online process for finding a doctor. The third option is the Open Access PPO plan, and it is different. You pay a deductible first, and then the plan pays 90% of most covered expenses. For some expenses, you do not have to meet the deductible first. You have just a copay. A $10 copay applies to each visit to a doctor or therapist, and a $50 copay applies each time you use an urgent care facility. You should also compare the maximum amount you would pay out of pocket. In the HMO plan and the Local Plus plan, it's $1,500 per person, up to the family maximum of $4,500. In the Open Access plan, it's higher, $2,000 per person, up to the family maximum of $6,000. After you reach these limits, the plan pays 100% of your covered expenses, except prescription drug copays, for the rest of the plan year. There are a few other benefits to keep in mind. The plans cover eligible preventative care services from in-network providers at 100%, no deductible. And the plans have the same prescription drug benefits. The HMO and the Local Plus plan cover emergency room visits at 100% after you pay a $50 copay. In the Open Access plan, you pay a $100 copay and the plan pays 90% after the deductible is met. All 3 plans waive the copay if you're admitted to the hospital. So, how do you know which plan is best for you? Think ahead to the healthcare services you'll need over the next 12 months. Then, spend a few minutes with the Connecting with You Benefits Guide to compare your costs under each plan, including your paycheck contributions on the separate rate sheet. Whether your doctor is in the network is also a factor to consider. Keep in mind that each plan has a different network. You have 3 options for dental benefits: the Dental HMO or DHMO plan and 2 PPO plans, the Core PPO plan and the Core Plus PPO plan. For more information on the 3 options, see the dental plan video. As a newly hired employee, you are automatically enrolled in the DHMO plan, and Green Dot pays the cost to cover you and your dependents if you enroll them before the deadline. You are automatically enrolled in the Vision plan. If you enroll your eligible dependents before the deadline, they are also covered at no cost to you. You can also provide financial security to your family through the Green Dot life insurance benefits. Green Dot pays 100% of the premium for your basic life and accidental death insurance. Your benefit is 1 times your salary up to $200,000. You can buy additional life insurance for yourself and cover your dependents. To enroll in these benefits, go to the Ceridian enrollment using this link in the enrollment instructions in the Connecting with You Benefits Guide, or download the instructions from the Benefits Document website. Check your email inbox for your Ceridian self-service username and password. Then, go to the Ceridian enrollment site and enroll yourself and your dependents in the benefits before the deadline. You can enroll in flexible spending accounts to save on healthcare and dependent care expenses. Enrollment is in November because the flexible spending accounts are on a calendar year basis. Newly hired employees can enroll when they are first hired. When you enroll, choose how much you want deducted from your paychecks and added to an account. The money is added tax-free. Then, if you use it to pay eligible expenses, you never pay taxes on that money. See the Connecting with You Benefits Guide or go to this website for more information. Remember, anything over $500 left in your account on December 31st doesn't roll over into the next plan year. Green Dot pays for some benefits in which you are automatically enrolled. Green Dot pays 100% of the premium for your short-term and long-term disability insurance if you are injured or sick and can't work for a period of time. And the Employee Assistance Plan can advise you and your family on personal issues and provide helpful referrals. You can enroll in Aflac benefits that pay you cash during a short-term disability or after a personal accident, if you are hospitalized, are diagnosed with cancer or a critical illness, and for intensive care. The best way to get information on Aflac benefits is to contact the Aflac agent at this number or email address. For more information, see your Green Dot Connecting with You Benefits Guide. You can download a copy of the guide, enrollment instructions, and other materials from our document site. Thanks for your time, and be sure to take advantage of your Green Dot benefits. They can make a difference in your life.